If your apartment feels like it's shrinking every time you buy something new, you don't need more square footage. You just need smarter storage. Starting at just $11, these 18 brilliant Amazon space savers will double your functional room without knocking down a single wall. Check link in the description below. Let's get started with number 1. First up, we have the BROVIEW stackable storage bins. If your closet is starting to look like an absolute war zone, these clear front bins are a total game changer. They stack vertically to steal back your dead wall space, and the front opening doors mean you'll never have to dig through a messy pile just to grab what's at the bottom. Honestly, if you're trying to max out a small apartment and sleep on these, you're making a massive mistake. Next up, we have the SIXDOVE cotton rope laundry basket. If plastic hamper baskets are cluttering your floor and ruining your room's aesthetic, this flexible woven hamper is an absolute lifesaver. It fits tucked away into tight corners, holds a massive load of laundry, and looks like high-end home decor. Seriously, at just $24, if you're still using ugly plastic hampers, you are missing out big time. At number 3, check out the AZLAFU rotating bookshelf. If books are taking over your room, this 360-degree spinning tower holds a huge collection in just 2 square feet. It's solid wood, super sturdy, and spins to grab any book fast. Honestly, if you're letting bulky bookcases waste your floor space, passing on this is a huge mistake. Next at number 4, check out the SPIEEK foldable shoe rack. If messy shoes are taking over your entryway and ruining your room's vibe, this multi-tier cabinet instantly solves the clutter. The clear drop-down doors let you grab any pair in seconds, and the whole frame folds completely flat whenever you need to move or store it away. Honestly, if you're still tripping over piles of shoes right at your front door, leaving this off your setup is a massive mistake. At number 5, we've got the APEXCHASER clothes drying rack. Tired of hanging wet clothes over chairs, doors, or random corners around your home? This clever rack gives you a dedicated space to dry your laundry while taking up minimal room. It folds away when you don't need it, making it perfect for apartments, bedrooms, and compact laundry areas. If you're short on space, this is definitely one Amazon find worth checking out. At number 6, check out the Home IT broom and mop holder. If cleaning tools keep falling over in your closet, this wall mount fixes the mess instantly. Its spring-loaded grips hold heavy handles tight, plus extra hooks for rags. Honestly, for just $11, leaving your mops cluttering the floor is a total mistake. Number 7 is the Little Tree wood end table. It comes ready right out of the box with zero setup. You get 2 smooth drawers and a sleek vintage look that hides clutter fast. Passing on this ready-to-use piece is a total miss. Check link in the description below. Number 8 is the LINENMATE storage container, a convenient way to keep your bedding and linens organized. Its roomy design gives you plenty of space for sheets, blankets, pillowcases, and other household items. It's easy to store in a closet or under the bed, helping keep your belongings together and your home looking neat and organized. Number 9 is the EASEVE 6-pack 7-grid foldable clothes organizers, a simple way to keep drawers and closets more organized. Each organizer features multiple compartments that help separate clothing items, making it easier to find what you need. They're great for storing t-shirts, leggings, underwear, socks, and more. A practical storage solution for keeping your wardrobe neat and easy to manage. Number 10 is the Vacbird rechargeable bags set, a smart storage solution for saving space at home. These bags help compress bulky items like clothes, blankets, bedding, and seasonal items, making them easier to store. They're great for closets, underbed storage, or moving, helping you fit more into less space and keep everything neatly organized. Number 11 is the Hayden luxury storage bag, a stylish way to keep your clothes and household items neatly stored. Its roomy design gives you plenty of space for clothing, bedding, or seasonal items, while the structured shape helps keep everything contained. It's a great option for keeping closets organized and making storage look a little more polished. Number 12 is the Kalimdor pants hangers, a smart way to keep your pants and trousers neatly organized. Their space-saving design helps you hang multiple pairs while making better use of your closet space. They're great for jeans, dress pants, leggings, and other clothing, keeping everything easy to see and grab when you need it. Check link in the description below. Number 13 is the FeeraHozer pants hangers, a simple way to keep your pants neatly organized without wasting closet space. Their multi-layer design lets you hang several pairs in one spot, making it easier to keep your wardrobe tidy. They're great for jeans, trousers, leggings, and other clothing while helping you make better use of your closet. Number 14 is the CTSNSLH 5-pack closet organizers, a smart way to make the most of your closet space. These organizers give you extra room to neatly store clothes, accessories, and everyday essentials. Their practical design helps keep your items separated and easy to find, while reducing clutter and making your wardrobe easier to manage. They're a great pick for anyone looking for a simple way to keep their closet neat and organized. Number 15 is the Vailando Underbed Containers, a smart way to turn unused space under your bed into extra storage. Their low-profile design makes them great for storing clothes, shoes, blankets, and seasonal items without taking up closet space. They help keep your belongings protected, organized, and easy to access whenever you need them. Number 16 is the FORIOUS Toilet Paper Holder, a simple upgrade that helps keep your bathroom organized and clutter-free. Its clean, modern design fits easily into most bathroom spaces, while the built-in shelf gives you extra room for small essentials like your phone, wipes, or other toiletries. It's a practical way to add convenience without taking up much space. Number 17 is the Yaheetech Accent Chairs, a stylish way to add comfortable seating and a fresh look to your space. Their versatile design works well in living rooms, bedrooms, reading corners, or home offices. They're great for relaxing, reading, or creating a cozy seating area without overwhelming the room. A practical choice if you want to add both comfort and style to your home. Number 18 is the Outink Folding Side Table, a smart space-saving piece for smaller rooms. Its folding design makes it easy to set up when you need an extra surface and fold away when you don't. It's great beside a sofa, bed, or chair for holding drinks, books, snacks, or everyday essentials. A simple and versatile addition to any home. If you enjoyed this lineup, hit that like button and subscribe for more great home finds.